Alright folks, welcome to another episode of Ape Answers, the amateur radio show where we answer your questions. In this episode, number 19, we were asked a question about alpha-delta antenna switches and what it means when they are adjusted to the common or center position. Let's go ahead and take a look. Our friend Darman, Z1, asks, dumb question, the switch is supposed to ground all unused selected center conductors and ground all center conductors when in the C position, or common. So you did the center conductor continuity isolation ohm meter test in the C position. Since all the centers are supposed to be grounded, i.e. tied together to common ground, why is there no continuity between the center conductors in that case? I ran the same ohm meter test on my 4B today, and as expected, there is continuity between the center conductor of all unused inputs, as there should be because they are grounded. So I have no idea why yours is not showing this continuity. And I said the shield side is grounded, not the center conductor. Darman replies, no, the centers of all unused inputs are grounded. It's for RF protection of any receivers on the unselected lines from being popped by RF going through the selected port. This is spelled out under the special switching functions in that sheet you held up. And of course the shield sides are all grounded. That's a given. And besides the point, if you just read about any other reviews of these B-series switches, the unused centers are being grounded is a major reason people like the switch over others. Innovation starts with PCBWay.com. Whether you're crafting your first prototype or scaling up to full production, PCBWay.com delivers high-quality PCB manufacturing and assembly at prices that make sense. With fast turnaround times, global shipping, and expert support, we help bring your ideas to life quickly and reliably. Get started today at PCBWay.com. The question comes in on this Alpha Delta 4-port antenna switch video that I did, where we test just about everything that you can test on this particular device. I'll have a link to this below. This is the sheet that I was holding up. It's not the paper sheet. It is a PDF because it's a little bit easier to read. So if you take a look at this down here, switch positions, 4 to either side of the common center connector. Then it says lightning surge protection, Alpha Delta D4 internally mounted field replaceable ceramic gas tube arc plug cartridge pill. Here under special switching functions. When the knob points to the center ground switch position, all antenna circuits are internally disconnected and grounded. When the knob is in an active position, the unused antenna ports are grounded. The active position circuit is continuously protected by the model D4 arc plug cartridge pill. Down here it talks about grounding requirements. It says you need to be grounded for this to work correctly. So when I look at this special switching functions and it says all antenna circuits are internally disconnected and grounded, to me that reads that the center conductor is disconnected and the shield sides are grounded, like I explained. Could be wrong about that. Then it says when the knob is in an active position, the unused antenna ports are grounded. The active position circuit is continuously protected. And what that means is that the shield side of all of those unused antenna ports go to ground via a common grounding mechanism. What it doesn't say in here is that the center conductor is also grounded as well. Further down in the instructions, it talks a little bit about the arc plug cartridge replacement. Should a severe lightning hit occur, the ceramic gas tube arc plug cartridge pill will short to ground, protecting your equipment. What this tells me is that if this arc plug cartridge pill has been used or tripped or popped, as you said, that's when the center conductor would be shorted to ground. It is not shorted to ground unless you have a problem with this arc plug. I have 2 Alpha Delta switches here. We're going to take a look at them with the continuity meter, and we're going to take a look at the arc plugs. Okay, here we have a multimeter. This one is the Kaiweets HT118A, and I love this meter. We're going to be doing some continuity testing, so we have it set here for continuity test, and I have the backlight on so we can see what's going on. And then you can see when we have continuity, the meter does stuff. So right here is one of the Alpha Delta switches, and I have it set to the common port. So in this common port, what it says is that all my center conductors should be disconnected. And then it says they should be grounded. The ports should be grounded. So what I'd have here is the lead is connected to the center pin, and then I'm going to take the other probe And then when I put it on here, it is grounded. Also, the grounds are shorted. And when I touch the 2 center pins, we have continuity there. And I'm assuming that's because they're grounded. Now, if I set it to 1, I don't have that same reading, so that's not shorted to ground. However, these grounds are. Also, when I come over here, I have a connection to ground. This is where you ground this device. Let's take a look and see if it's the same on this one. So here you can see they are shorted to ground. Now if I go over to 2, for example, they are still shorted to ground. 2 is not, because that's the active. I have continuity across the 2 center conductors and have continuity across the ground. And over here we have continuity to the ground as well. Let's take a look at the gas tubes. You want to be pretty careful when you do this because these tubes are rather delicate. And they warn against over tightening these screws because you could damage your plug. And these things are tiny. You can see here is your protection plug. And let's take a quick little look so you can see what's going on in that hole. You can see where the plug touches that metal strip. And then you can see that the screw is domed, so it touches the center pin here. All right, let's go ahead and put this thing back together. So it looks like I was wrong. When the position is set to the common position, it does appear that the center conductor is shorted to ground in all of these unused ports. Anyhow, I'm really glad that this question was asked because I did learn something out of it and I was mistaken, so I appreciate that. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or recommendations, go ahead and post them below and I'll do my best to respond. As always, thank you for watching.